So if you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, or you're just looking for a simple way to make money online, do make sure to stick to the end, because I am about to show you not one, not two, but 5 of these services you can start selling today that require zero skill and zero experience. Now the best part is you can combine the 5 of them, and then you'll be making a whole lot of money every single month. You already know that selling your skills on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer is the sweetest way of making money online with zero capital. But what you don't know is that there are services you can sell on these platforms that require zero experience, zero skill, zero knowledge. These services are easy to deliver. You can do them with your mobile phone, and they pay a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of these services you can sell today on Fiverr. So if you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, or you're just looking for a simple way to make money online, you're looking for an additional way of making money online, do make sure to stick to the end, because I am about to show you not one, not two, but 5 of these services you can start selling today that require zero skill and zero experience. Now the best part is you can combine the 5 of them, and then you'll be making a whole lot of money every single month. Just so you know, number 5 is my favorite. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if you're looking for a guide on how to make money online, you are onto the right channel. You are watching the right video. So the first service is remove image background. Now this is so simple that even toddlers can do this. It takes just a click of a button in a split of seconds. This thing is done. Now if you look at these platforms, you can see a lot of people requiring this service. People come over here, they have images, they do not like the background. They come over here, pay you to help them remove the background and get them either a plain background or get them a different background. Here are people offering this service. If you look closely, you can see that a lot of them have done lots of work, 1,000 plus, 700, 800. And then look down here and see how much they charge. Some of them charge $5, $20. Guess what? There's an app that will help you do this. Oh yes, it takes just a click of a button, and in a split of seconds, this is done. You go home with your money. The app I'm about to show you right now is absolutely free. The name is Remove BG. So here is the app. All you need is click on this button that says upload, and then you select the image you want to remove the background. Upload it here, and in a split of seconds, this app removes the background, giving you a plain background. It goes on to offer you an option to replace the background with another background, which could be a plain color or any of these backgrounds. You select it. Once you are done, you download this, send it to your clients, and you collect your money. You'll agree with me that this is a simple, sweet way of making money. Now, the second service that requires zero skill, you can start today and make a lot of money on these platforms, is commenting on blogs. Oh yes, there are a lot of bloggers out there who need more engagement on their blogs. This will help them to rank higher on Google. They come over here and pay you to drop meaningful comments, engaging comments on their blogs. You can see this and see how much people are charging to just drop comments. With this, you know that commenting is very expensive, so you no longer comment for free. You drop comment on blog posts and you get paid. Now you'll agree with me that this is one of the sweetest way of making money online. Now I know you are excited, but please don't click off yet, because like I said, the 5th one is my favorite. So I'm going to show you all of them. The third service that requires zero skill to make money from is virtual assistants. Yeah, virtual assistant is actually a service that is selling right now. So as a virtual assistant, you basically help your employer in booking clients, sorting out files, setting reminders, and those basic services. And you'll agree with me that they don't require any special skill to be done. If you're getting value from this, give me a thumbs up. Also remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. The fourth service you can sell that requires zero skill is customer care. Yes, a lot of businesses out there are employing people to help them attend to customers. So this skill requires absolutely no special skill. As a customer service representative, all you do is responding to queries, replying emails, and the rest of other minor things. Now you can do all of this from the comfort of your home and even with your mobile phone. So in case you don't have a computer, you don't have a problem. Now the 5th, and like I said, my favorite is, drum roll, the 5th is reselling services. Now, one thing I love about this is that you don't have to do anything. People are going to render the service and you resell the service. So it requires absolutely zero skill to do this. Yes, you can resell services by simply reaching out to someone who is in need of a service, and then you sell it to the person. Get someone who has the skill to deliver this service. It can also come in the form of affiliate marketing. You sign up on platforms like Fiverr as an affiliate. When you get someone to buy a service from Fiverr, you get paid a whopping $150 depending on the package you sign up for. So with this, you don't have to lift a pin. People do the heavy lifting and you collect your pay. Now, how do you get all of these things done? The first step is to create an account for yourself. Sign up on these platforms. For example, if you click on the link to these platforms are contained in the description of the video. When you click on the link, you create a free Fiverr account. When you click on the link, it opens. Then scroll down to this place and click on create account. Once you do this, you'll be taken to a page that requires you submit your basic details, your name, your email address, and the rest of them. So once you're done doing that, you go on and create an account for yourself. Now you want to come over here and read up this content that will help you create an optimized account for yourself. So if you're going to start rendering any service, you need to create optimized account. If you're going to start reselling services, then you need to come over here, click on this, scroll down to this button and sign up as an affiliate. Now here's the interesting thing. You can do the 5 of them because there's no limit to what you can do on this platform. Just go on and create gigs that are optimized enough to show your target audience that you are the right person for this service, and you will be making a lot of money. For more tips on how to get you started and get your first gig, there are a lot of videos on YouTube that will guide you step by step how to create optimized accounts and even how to create gigs for yourself. So you want to go out there, search and go through those videos to learn exactly how to get this done. These tips will help you a lot in getting your first clients. If you're getting value from this, give me a thumbs up. Also remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Now I know you got value from this. The next is to take action. So go on right now, click on the link in the description of this video, create a free account for yourself and start taking action immediately. I can't wait to celebrate your success. Now that you've learned these 5 easy to start gigs you can render on Fiverr and Upwork, the next is to move on to create an account for yourself. Here is a video that shows you step by step how to create a Fiverr account for yourself and even how to sign up as an affiliate. Go on and watch the video, take action immediately and you will get a lot of amazing results. I am rooting for you. See you in my next video.